everybody. So I've been working for Air France for nearly 15 years, 10 years in head office dealing with revenue management, pricing, groups and trade negotiations. And I've been the last 4 years working as a commercial director in Senegal, working for Western Africa countries. And now I've been in Israel for 6 months. It's a very interesting and challenging market with a lot of news coming this year. It's very simple. HOP! Today it's a new airline, which is the synergy of 3 regional airlines in France called Britair, Regional and Airliner. It's a kind of merger of the 3 airlines to offer a simple product to the passengers and to ease mobility for inter-regional flights in France and in Europe. What I know about HOP!, because it's quite far from the Israeli market, is now they have roughly they offer 136 destinations in France and Europe. So premium economy has been launched as a good answer to the economic crisis. So it's also a very good product for the former business passengers, but it's also a product that can interest economy passenger because it offers more flexibility in the fares than the economy fares. And I think it's a very interesting model we have with this premium economy product. First of all, I want to tell Israeli market that Air France-KLM is really believing that there is a strong potential in this market. This is why since last year we have been adding a lot of capacity. First on Air France side, we opened Nice and Marseille. Today we are increasing Paris route with the 3rd flight from the 31st of March. And we are still offering 1 daily flight to Amsterdam with KLM. So we really strongly believe in the good potential of Israel. Air France-KLM is still developing itself. It's still increasing capacity and still opening a new destination. What I can give I can give you some example. We are going to open this summer Montevideo, Fukuoka, Minneapolis, and also I think this medium-haul destination in England like Kent and others. Since summer 2012, we opened a new terminal in Charles de Gaulle. It's the Terminal M. Now all our flights are concentrated between the Terminal F, the Terminal E with the 3 piers K, L and M, and the Terminal J for regional flights. So it's also I think a simple product for the passengers. It is the connectivities. And what's also interesting in the new pier, in the new M terminal, we have a lot of. It's a very nice terminal with the biggest Air France lounge. It's a very nice lounge, brand new, with a lot of facilities to our customers. Thank you. Bye bye.